Alright you guys, today we're gonna check out how to make this quick and easy isometric typo. I'm gonna type in number 3. I'm gonna go with the Arial black. Right click, create outlines, let's go to the effects, 3D materials, 3D classic, select extrude and bevel. And we're gonna go to the position, isometric left, click OK. So this is the number 3 that we're gonna work with, and now we're gonna create that specific pattern on it with dots. Select the circle, let's create a small circle. Expand shape, press and hold Alt, drag it up, press and hold Shift. Plus Alt, scale it down, and we're gonna blend it. Select both, go to Object, Blend Make, let's double click on the blend, select Specify Steps, decrease the number, I'm gonna go with 9. Click OK, 9. Gonna press and hold Alt, create a duplicate, and I'm gonna position it somewhere here. Select both them, and now I'm gonna go to the effects, distort and transform. I'm gonna add some copies, and we're gonna increase the horizontal until you're gonna see some space in between. This is pretty good. Click OK, and now I'm gonna select it, Object, Expand Appearance, and we're gonna need to make a symbol out of this, so we're gonna go to the Symbols. If you don't have it, you can go to Windows and select Symbols. Drag and drop the symbols right in here. Click OK. Now you can delete this. Now we're gonna select the number 3. See the effects, 3D extrude and bevel. Here to the map art, and here we got 1 out of 10, so I'm gonna click on this right arrow and this none and switch it to the new symbol that we created. Click on it and it's gonna position it on. I'm gonna press and hold Shift, scale it down, and I'm gonna rotate it, press and hold Shift, scale it down, and I'm gonna shift. There you go, press and hold Shift, scale it, and I also gonna put it in the opposite direction. Why not and decide looks. Let's select it, go to Object, Expand Appearance, right click on Group. Right click on Group, and now we can deselect these areas, but as you can see they are connected together. And now we're going to need to right click, release clipping mask, and everything is separated. Now I'm going to need to unite these, but first I'm going to need to select these patterns. And press and hold Shift, select all of it. I'm going to bring them out like this. I'm going to select these shapes like both because they're separate. Let's go to Pathfinder, click on Unite. I'm going to do the same thing with this United, and now I'm going to recolor them, and I'm going to put the dots back where they belong, as you can see. And now we're going to make the lines like the line tool. Make sure that you're on the stroke, swap it from, and I'm going to drag a line like this, press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, and I'm going to decrease this one, for example, to 1 or under 1, and the left one. I'm going to increase the stroke thickness quite a bit. Select both, go to Object, Blend, Make. Double click on the Blend tool, select Specify Steps, increase the number. Make it nice and dense. Click OK, and I'm going to recolor the stroke. Make sure that the stroke is on the top and just change up the color, and I'm going to select this number 3, press and hold Alt to create a new copy, drag it to the right, also press Shift, and now we're going to need to bring these lines to the bottom, so right click on the lines, arrange, send it back, go to Object, Expand, click OK, and let's go to Object again, Expand again, click OK, and now we're going to go to Object, Compound Path, click on Make, and we're going to recolor the fill again, and now we can right click, and we got the option Make Clipping Mask, and just bring these together, and there you go, and that's how you make it. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.